Guys, nagbumba sa guys. So, akong gipalagka. Ngayon,
Meanwhile, an investigation is underway at UCLA into the violence that broke out after counter-protesters attacked a pro-Palestinian encampment last week. According to law enforcement sources who spoke to the Los Angeles Times, police are using photo recognition technology, similar to what was used after the January 6 attacks on the Capitol, to identify the counter-protesters. At nearby University of Southern California, a police chopper circled overhead as graduation celebrations got underway. The school canceled its main commencement ceremony due to safety concerns.
I think for administrators, myself included, there's a lot of tension of how do you make sure that we pull this off with a minimal disruption.
Pedro Noguera is the dean of USC's Rossier School of Education, but 40 years ago he was a student at UC Berkeley, leading the campus protests against South African apartheid, with demands for divestment like pro-Palestinian students are making now. What's your message to the student protesters now?
My message is educate. Educate others. Engage in dialogue. I know it's hard, but don't just...
So guys, itong i-check itong humba guys. Pagkatapos linagyan ko siya ng soy sauce at saka vinegar. Nilagyan ko siya ng konting sugar. Ayan. May sugar na yan. At ayun ang humba ko guys. Ayan. Kita nyo guys. Dagdagan ko siya ng oyster sauce. Ouch! Ayan siya guys. Oyster sauce at brown sugar. Ayan. Tingnan mo guys ang sabaw. At saka malambot na din to. Paanihin ko pa yan yung wala ng sabaw. Lalabas na ang ano ba, mantika. Diba? Ayan guys. Tikman natin. Oh my god. Sarap. Oh, sugar at saka oyster sauce. Guys, malapit na. Tatakpan lang natin hanggang maging mawala yung sabaw. Humba tayo guys. Hi guys. Kaon tayo guys. Ayan, maghapon tayo ng kain. Humba at saka rice. It's easy din. Si hi nak. Ay ba? Yeah. Gusto niya yan yung humba oh. Ano daw na ho? Gustuhan niya yung humba ko guys. Kasi ano oh, tingnan niyo. Super masarap naman kasi. Kain tayo. Humok ayo. Yung rice init. Bagong ano kain. Gustong-gusto ni Isi ang ano ba? Humba. Ayan siya, oh. Parang siyang Pilipino. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Say bye-bye. Love.